Good evening. Today I want to talk about the new telecom policy that the government has brought out. This new telecom policy has been brought out in wake of serious troubles in Vodafone Idea, today called as VI. VI's survival as a going concern has been in news for a long time. Kumar Mangalam Birla has resigned as chairman of the company. But everybody around wants this company to survive because India cannot afford to be a duopoly market. Most of these problems arise from the flawed calculation of AGR and also the fact that Vinod Rai scared the industry out of its wits. But all is said and done under underwater. Basically, it looks like Reliance and Airtel will dominate India's telecommunication space. VI will also be an also run in spite of this new telecom policy. Let me explain why. The new telecom policy basically says that you did not pay your AGR dues as of now. You have a 4-year moratorium. You have to pay interest on the outstanding. The very interest will kill Vodafone Idea. That there is a possibility of paying that interest as equity. This will mean that the government will become the largest shareholder of Vodafone Idea unless the valuation increases. If the valuations speak out, then the government will own 30% of Vodafone Idea. If valuations don't peak, government will land up with 70% of Vodafone Idea. If this happens, no new investment will come into Vodafone Idea from private sector parties. It is very important this private sector pumps money into Vodafone Idea because it has to bid for the 5G license. It has to increase its network and acquire customers. All this takes time. Also, it has to gain back market share from Airtel and Jio. Today, Bharati's Mittal has dialed Jio and Vodafone Idea to see that they maintain a floor level of minimum pricing and not undercut each other. Even if that happens, that while Vodafone Idea may hobble around for some time, the long term survival of Vodafone Idea still seems to be in trouble. So, unless the valuation of Vodafone Idea really gallivants, the chance of remitting government's equity and attracting private investment is looking very bleak. But for now, Vodafone Idea will survive and we have to see what will happen. Bharati Airtel in turn has turned around and said that it will also opt for a delayed payment scheme and pay the interest as equity. The government will have a very low level of equity because the value of Bharati Airtel shares are extremely high. So Bharati Airtel will be able to defend its position and market share. Reliance, being a new company, has no problems in such things. Reliance has very little AGR due and has nothing to worry. And it has already got a lot of money as investments. So we need to wait and watch how Vodafone Idea manages to survive. Also, there is another development. The government has cleared 100% FDI in telecom. This means a new telecom player can land up in India and set up operations. Also, spectrum holding period has been increased from 20 to 30 years, giving more amortization time. All these steps are welcome, but they are too little and too late to save the day for VI. But India needs a vibrant three player telecom. It may be too late in the day to save VI, but India desperately needs VI to be alive so that it can have a three-player telecom market so that the pricing does not go into a duopoly. Let us wait and watch what happens whether another new player comes. As the stock markets are concerned, Vodafone Idea, which was languishing at 6 and 7, has now shot up past 10 and is now at 11 rupees 28 paisa. Similarly, Indus Ind Bank rallied 10% yesterday and reached 1147 at its peak before dropping back to 1130. This is because they have given Vodafone Idea a loan of 2000 crores. This was what triggered the fall in Vodafone and brought it down to 350 rupees. Subsequently, the promoters have put in a lot of money and also a round of issue was made. New equity was issued. Root capital putting a lot of money. All this has pushed the valuation of Indus Ind Bank back to where it was originally at 1,150 per share. This is because retail investors believe that Vodafone Idea will be able to repay the money to Indus Ind Bank at some time. This has caused a huge rally in the price of Indus Ind Bank. Look at the strange logic. When the future of one company is set right, then logically or illogically, the share of the second company takes off. I am talking of Indus Ind Bank reacting to the news in Vodafone Idea. But whether Vodafone Idea is able to survive or not is only time can tell. The valuation today at 11 rupees 38 paisa is not enough for government to have a stake less than 50%. I hope the market wakes up and sees possibility and pushes the shares of Vodafone Idea to 30 rupees at least, so that the prices of stock to be sold to the government will go up, and it will limit the holding percentage of government, because higher government holding will deter outside investors. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written two books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.